It's another bright, beautiful and a sunny day here at the French Riviera. Hello and welcome to the coverage of the Cannes Film Festival only on Prudent Media. Now every year at the Cannes Film Festival they design a special poster, and this time the poster of the Cannes Film Festival pays tribute to a film by Claude Lelouch which was released back in 1966, A Man and a Woman. Claude Lelouch's 1966 drama A Man and a Woman, starring Anouk Aimée and Jean-Louis Trintignant, is the inspiration behind the festival poster this time. For the first time in Cannes history, the movie, which won the Palme d'Or back then, has inspired two official posters, both showing the film's iconic embrace between the actress and the actor, that's Aimée Anouk and Jean-Louis, on a deserted beach. One poster has Amy's face, while the other one has Jean-Louis' face. After winning the Palme d'Or, the film also won the Best Foreign Film and the Best Screenplay at the Oscars that particular year, while both the actor and the actress they were nominated in their respective roles.